Byjus has opposed BCCI's insolvency plea against it in the National Company Law Tribunal, citing arbitral proceedings. Meanwhile, the company has claimed that it is in talks with the BCCI to settle the 158 crore rupee payments dispute. However, the BCCI has denied any such talks. Ashmit Kumar is here with more. Ashmit?
Well, what began as a payment dispute between BCCI and Byjus then translated into an insolvency proceeding before the NCLT, and now the fear is that it will now translate into an arbitration proceedings between the two sides. Before we delve into the takeaways from today's NCLT hearing in Bengaluru, here is the issue that lies at the heart of the matter. BCCI is claiming unpaid dues of 158 crore rupees from Byjus as a part of its sponsorship agreement. Byjus begs to differ, says there are complex questions of laws as well as facts. Now, with that in mind, their counsel, Byjus counsels, appeared before the NCLT Bengaluru today, where they submitted that they have filed for moving this dispute to arbitration. Byjus counsels were very clear that up until the arbitration proceedings take place and there's a final decision by the arbitrator, no further insolvency proceedings can take place. And to that end, they have objected to the IBC process initiated by the BCCI against the Byjus. Not just that, they also sought deferment of hearing for a slightly longer period. The reason being, Byjus counsels claimed that there are negotiation talks that are currently underway between the two sides. However, this was promptly denied by the counsel for BCCI. The BCCI counsel saying that all they've heard for by way of negotiations are articles and reports that appeared in the media. There has been no conversation stemming from Byjus for resolving this payment dispute. So that is the status quo as far as the payment dispute is concerned. The next hearing in this case is scheduled for February 7th.
All right, Ashmit, many thanks for those details. But with that, it is a wrap on this edition of Business 360. More news and updates continue right here on CNBC TV 18.